Hello and welcome to Nick's Calligraphy. Today I'm here with a new video where I will show you how you can make curves of different angles, and that ways your cursive writing can take different forms and it looks very attractive as well. So I will make here certain angles and then I'll show you how it looks when you write upon it. And I'll try to make these in equal distances. So this is one of the angle that I'm trying. I'll show you other angles as well, and based upon these angles you can have your cursive writing in your own way. Like, people like different angles in cursive writing, so you can try these. And do not forget to let me know in the comment section that which one of these angles you are liking the best. Also, I would request you all that if you really like this video, then please do share, like and subscribe my video, and also do not forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest notifications. Okay, now here I will be making angles. This will not be an angle, rather this will be straight line perpendicular to the base. So even in straight form you can write very neat and clean, and also you can maintain your cursive writing in this way as well. I hope this will be useful to those students who are struggling to improve their handwriting and are beginners. Also, one of the tips that I would suggest while you are a beginner and you are trying to improve your handwriting, then you should start with a fountain pen, because a fountain pen is a great way to learn handwriting. So again, I'll make the angles a little bit different here. So this way, if you are trying, then it will be very much useful. Another angle will be even more this. It's again a different angle. So here, after doing this, I'll show you in each of these forms how the writing is going to look like. Okay, now I'll show you how it looks. So I'll first start with this one. So all your letters must be parallel to these lines. So this is one of the format. I'll try to make it more bold, and in this case you will write it like this. So as a beginner you can use this tip, and instead of these pens you can also make the strokes with the help of a pencil, and try these different angles and see which one looks the best to you, and then you can try to write in the same form. Okay, and then again we can try this as well. Now